Hello, 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 my favorite people in the world. Episode 28 is officially live, and I'm literally vibrating because yesterday I watched an entire 22-minute episode of Friends with 0 subtitles and understood 98% without pausing once. 2 months ago, I would have needed subtitles, pause every 30 seconds, and still miss half the jokes. I'm Eva, and today we're giving you the complete listening upgrade that turns "I don't understand anything" into "Wait, did they just speak slowly or did I become a wizard?"
And I'm Daniel, former professional rewinder. I used to watch 1 minute of a podcast, rewind it 15 times, feel stupid, give up, hate myself. Now I can listen to 2-hour Joe Rogan episodes while cooking and follow every single word. So if fast speech, accents, connected words, songs, movies, or real conversations make you panic, this episode is your new best friend. Drop in the comments right now. What's the one thing you understand the least? Fast speech? British accents? Slang? Lyrics? Write it and smash subscribe. We're fixing it together.
And please, no more "my ears are broken" or "I'm just bad at listening." Listening is 100% a trainable skill, not a talent you're born with or without.
Let's start with the biggest myth. You think you have to catch every single word. That's why you panic and understand nothing.
Truth number 1. Native speakers don't hear every word either. They understand 15 to 20% of key words, and their brain fills in the rest from context. We just need to train our brain to do the same.
Rule number 1. Switch from passive to active listening immediately.
Passive, play audio and zone out. Active, play audio and work. My daily routine now: 10-minute clip, pause every 10 to 15 seconds, repeat exactly what I heard out loud, even if it's wrong, play again, repeat perfectly. 5 minutes of active listening beats 2 hours of background noise.
I do the listen, write, listen drill every morning. Pick a 3-minute clip. Listen once without text. Write everything I think I heard. Check transcript. Cry a little. Listen again. Suddenly understand 90%. 1 clip a day equals massive progress in a week.
I call it transcription karaoke. First, I read the transcript out loud like I'm singing, hide it, listen and shadow. The brain connects sound and meaning lightning fast.
Rule number 2. Start embarrassingly easy and level up slowly.
My first month, I only used BBC Learning English, 6-Minute English, and English at University. Super slow, super clear, perfect vocabulary. After 30 days, I jumped to normal podcasts and it felt easy.
Same here. I began with 30-second clear American news clips, 1 sentence at a time. Now I handle Irish street interviews on YouTube, no problem.
Rule number 3. Connected speech is the real enemy, so we attack it separately.
Natives don't say, "What are you doing?" They say, "What are you doing?" Don't know becomes don't know. Going to becomes gonna. I have a playlist called Connected Speech Monsters with 50 sentences like, "What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?" I should have gone. I should have gone. I repeat each sentence 20 times fast until my mouth does it automatically.
My favorite drill: say these 10 phrases 50 times in the mirror every morning. Gonna, wanna, gotta, kinda, shoulda, woulda, coulda, didja, whadda, howja. 2 weeks later, you stop hearing them as separate words and everything clicks.
Rule number 4. 1 accent at a time.
Don't try to understand American plus British plus Australian plus Irish all at once. Pick 1 accent for 1 whole month. Month 1, General American. Month 2, British RP. Month 3, Australian. Month 4, mix them. Your ear adapts insanely fast.
I did 1 month only Irish accent with the Blind Boy podcast. First week, 20%. Fourth week, 85%. Ear muscles are real.
Rule number 5, the subtitle sandwich method.
Watch everything 3 times. First time, no subtitles. Understand what you can. Second time, English subtitles. See exactly what you missed. Third time, no subtitles again. Suddenly understand 30 to 40% more. Do this with 1 episode a day, and in 2 weeks, you'll drop subtitles forever.
I did it with The Office. First watch, 45%. Second watch, 80%. Third watch, 98%. Now I watch new episodes with zero help.
Rule number 6. Dictation is God-tier training.
Every single morning, I take 1 minute of any podcast, listen and write down every word I hear. Then, check the transcript. First week, I missed 65%. Now, I miss maybe 4 to 5%. My ear became a laser.
Rule number 7. Flood your life with English audio everywhere.
Phone language, English. YouTube, English. Netflix, English audio plus English subtitles. Car radio, English podcast. Alarm, English song. Even my smart fridge speaks English now.
Rule number 8. The 3x3 song method.
Pick one song you love. Day 1, listen 3 times without lyrics. Day 2, read lyrics while listening 3 times. Day 3, sing along 3 times loud. By day 3, you know every word, every pronunciation, and 50 new expressions for free.
I did this with Levitating by Dua Lipa. Now I sing it perfectly in the shower and understand every slang word.
Rule number 9, celebrate every tiny win like you just won the World Cup.
After every good listening session, I do the silliest happy dance and shout, "My ears just leveled up." My flatmates think I'm crazy. My brain thinks I'm a superstar.
Rule number 10, consistency over intensity. 10 minutes active every day beats 2 hours once a week.
Real listener stories time.
Sophie wrote, I did only 6-minute English for 30 days straight, then watched an entire season of Friends with 0 subtitles and laughed at the right moments. Sent us a 2-minute voice note crying happy tears.
Liam, connected speech playlist every morning in the shower. 2 weeks later, understood his Australian colleague perfectly for the first time in 2 years.
Olivia, transcription karaoke every single day, went from 40% understanding to 92% in 5 weeks. Her exact words, I feel like I got new ears.
Noah changed phone plus YouTube plus Netflix to English plus dictation daily. Now understands 95% of any YouTube video without subtitles.
Emma, 1 accent per month. Did Scottish for 30 days, now watches Still Game and laughs like a local.
Lucas, 3x3 song method with 20 songs. Learned 400 new phrases and perfect native pronunciation for free.
Mia did the subtitle sandwich with The Office, dropped subtitles completely after 18 days. Her boyfriend speaks English and says she now sounds more natural than him.
Your mission. Do it right now while you're listening. Pause for 15 seconds. Choose one tiny listening habit you'll start tomorrow morning. Write it in the comments in English. Examples. Tomorrow I start 10-minute active shadowing every morning. Tomorrow I pick 1 3-minute clip for transcription karaoke. Tomorrow I change my phone language to English. Tomorrow I start 1 accent month, American.
We read every single comment. This is your official listening promise.
Last thing, repeat after us slowly. My ears are not broken. They just need daily training, smart methods, and tiny wins. I am becoming a listening ninja, starting today.
Thank you for being here with us. I'm Eva.
I'm Daniel.
Train your ears, own the language, comment your plan, hit subscribe, and keep growing every single day.